Hello students, welcome again. We are going to continue solving mathematics from 2 questions, and today's question is going to be question number 3. So before you proceed actually checking how we are solving these questions, I propose you take a rough paper, you solve yourself, and then you compare your solution with our solution here. So if you're ready, then we're gonna start. In the figure below, PQ is parallel to AB, so PQ is parallel to AB, and RS is transversal. Find the value of AB, X, Y, Z, W. So because PQ is parallel to AB, you can see that we'll be having actually angles which are equivalent, and starting with Y is going to be 120 degree. And the reason actually these are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. But also taking X plus Y, you get 180 degree. And Y is 120. So 120 degree plus X, you get 180 degree. And from this case, you have X being 180 degree minus 120 degree, the answer is going to be 60 degree. So the value of X is 120 degree, but also X equals to Z, and the same reason is this one here, of course. So it means the value of Z here, dear students, will be 60 degree. Then when come to Z and W, we can see that Y equals to W, and because Y equals to 120, so W will be 120 degree also, and also W will be equal to B, and it will be again 120 degree. And then yeah, you have A is going to be equal to 60, with the same reason that it is vertically opposite angles, while we said that Y equals to W because they are alternate angles, of course, alternate angles. So from this summary, we can just see in a nutshell that the value of A is 60 degree, the value of B is 120 degree, the value of XC, the value of XC will be actually XC is 60 degree, the value of Y is 120 degree, the value of Z is 60 degree, and the value of W is 120 degree. So you can see that the angles were varying actually from 120 and 60 degrees. So that's solution for question number 3A. Coming to question number 3B, dear students. 3B, we were given a cycle. A cycle has a circumference of 30 meters. So we were given circumference, which is 30 meters. We are supposed to find the area of triangle, area of a cycle equals to how much? So if you assume, if I'm going to add a shape, a circular shape here, so if we assume that we have a cycle here, okay, so we are going to assume this is our cycle, and now the circumference, as we have seen, the circumference as we have seen is 30 meters. So the center this is center with the radius O. So you can say that actually circumference is 2 pi r. So 30 meter will be 2 pi times the radius, and the radius will be 30 over 2 pi, dear students. This is meters. Then what is area? Area is going to be pi r square. So area will be pi times r square. So 30 over 2 pi multiplied by 30 over 2 pi. Eventually you'll be getting meter square. So now the area will be pi. So 1 pi can be cancelled. You have 15 over, it will be 15, sorry. So you have 15 times 15 over pi meter square. So you have 225 divided by 3.14. So taking 225 divided by 3.